voice AI agents for my startups in Dubai. I got invited by one of the leading creator of digital AI voices and said, hey, dude, we can got this new model super fast. Try it out. So I did. Ran a bunch of experiments, like running around my room, trying to, from this same chair I'm talking to you guys from, using this mic, and try to test out different languages, TLDR. I got it to the point where it overshadows everything I've ever built in one night, but it took some minor editing here and there to the prompt. This is not to the fault of the supplier, Cartesia, thank you so much. It was awesome. And we'll also be moving on to, after this, probably doing NVIDIA. NVIDIA have their own variant of this voice stuff, so it's incredible. I fell in love with it. I was super impressed by the voices, the natural cadence, but it did take some work. It did hallucinate, it did go off on tangents many times, and it's just fun to show you that in real time. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. See ya. That's at all. They just sent me an email and said, hey, look, we got this thing for you, and we'd love it if you could maybe try and, try our new model called the 3.5 by Sonic. And I said, I'd love to. I really enjoyed Wizardman. I don't know if you guys remember Wizardman, but apparently they're much more responsive, much better linguistically. And so to make this video easy, I'm just going to ask it one question for a complex, to make this video just very straightforward. Thank you, Cartesia, very much for the opportunity. And let's jump straight into actually test running this bad boy. For those of you that are first-time watchers, whenever you're setting up an agent, you basically get to choose, when you talk to it, it turns your voice into words, and that's transcriber. You get to choose from drop-down menu. This is from Google, that's from ChatGPT, and then you also get to choose the voice. So we're going to go through different voices. We're going to go through different questions. We're going to go through different scenarios and just experience the voice. Let's have a conversation, and let's see what you guys think. That's all that matters. So thank you, and let's begin. 3, 2, 1. We're starting off by, God knows, I built a personal assistant, by the way, for myself. So
greetings and welcome to AI Solutions by Ahmad. Kindly note, this is an AI system designed to serve you better, and we are required to remind all callers that conversations may be recorded for quality and training purposes. Please go ahead. How can I help?
Can you explain what it is exactly you guys do? Thank you.
Hello. Thank you so much for reaching out. I completely understand wanting a clear picture before diving in. Ahmad is currently tied up with some client matters, but I'm here to help fully and will make sure he gets a meticulous summary the moment he's free. At a high level, we specialize in AI solutions that help businesses and individuals streamline operations, boost productivity, and unlock smarter growth. This includes custom AI tools for automation, data insights, real estate tech integrations given Ahmad's realty background, intelligent chat systems like me, and tailored consulting to implement AI in practical, results-driven ways. Whether it's optimizing workflows, enhancing customer experiences, or building bespoke AI applications, we focus on making advanced technology feel seamless and human-centered. I'd love to tailor this more to what you're curious about. May I ask 2 quick questions to make sure I have everything organized perfectly for you? What sparked your interest in AI solutions? And is there a specific area like business automation, real
hi, ma'am.
estate, or
Yes,
something?
I run a few startups in Dubai,
Hey
but I'm
there.
also...
It
Hi,
complete-
sorry to interrupt you. So thank you so much for that. I completely understand. I run a real estate business in Dubai. I've got multiple of my friends who are also interested in lead generation and content creation. I would say 80% of my requests comes into these 2 buckets. So how can you suggest, what solutions do you have? How could they work? How long would they take to integrate? What are the benefits? And how are these voice AI agents images like you and how could they bring benefit? And can you please explain to people who maybe for the first time don't know? Oh, also, by the way,
It completely
sorry, hold on a second. I would like to ask you to explain the benefits of AI to people, how it can be used in their daily lives, to get healthcare, to get outside the realm of real estate, just like how can this improve the quality of your life? When you're giving the answer, because I'd like everyone to experience your multilingual capability, please go on and take everyone on a journey as best you can. But I'd like you to switch languages every 2 or 3 sentences, and let's say every 4 sentences, please change languages, and when you're done, let me know and default back to English. Please go ahead and spend a good few minutes explaining why you think this stuff is so awesome. Me telling people that I love this stuff. It's so crazy how cool this is.
Hello.
You go ahead. I'll let you guys go.
He completely
Guys,
understands.
I'll let this thing be the judge. Cartesia, honestly, I'm mind blown. But time for the audience to decide. Everyone, please stand up in the comments below at this stage. This is really hard for me to set up and really difficult, and it actually exposes me to a lot of risk. So I appreciate everyone before you go on for your explanation. Thank you. Thank you so much for playing along. Go ahead with that explanation. Let's see here your multilingual capabilities. Remember, every 4 sentences switch. I'm gonna go get some time.
Thank you so much for sharing all of that. I completely understand how mind-blowing this feels, and I truly appreciate you taking the time to set this up despite the risk. It means a lot that you're inviting others along for the journey. I'd love to take everyone on a thoughtful exploration of how AI can transform daily life well beyond the real estate. This technology isn't just about efficiency. It's about creating space for what truly matters. Arabic. تخيل أنك تستيقظ كل صباح وتجد مساعدك الذكي قد رتب جدولك واقترح وجبات صحية بناء على أهدافك وحتى تذكيرك بأخذ قسط من الراحة. هذا يقلل التوتر ويمنحك شعورا بالسيطرة. In your personal health and wellness, AI can analyze sleep patterns from a simple wearable, suggest customized exercise
I'm
routines,
sorry, but I feel like you're speaking in English. I would like you not to speak in English at all going forward. For now, I felt like that level of Arabic didn't feel natural. Could you try to say that again in Arabic? I wasn't too happy with the dialect. We're in Dubai. We speak a particular dialect over here that's very different from the one that's in for example, let's say in Egypt or Algeria, or so. How about you speak 2 sentences in the Arabic that's in the Khariji dialect, and 2 sentences and the same sentence but in a different variant of Arabic dialect. Go ahead.
أهلا وسهلا. أنا فاهم تمام الطلب. رح أتكلم باللهجة الخليجية اللي تناسب دبي والإمارات، وأريد نفس الفكرة بلكنة مختلفة بردين. والله يا أخي، الذكاء الاصطناعي يقدر يغير حياتك اليومية.
Switch to another dialect. Let's see the Egyptian accent.
سواء في تنظيم وقتك أو صحتك.
To the Lebanese. Go to the Lebanese accent.
أهلا يا صديقي. أهلا. أنا بفهم شو بعدك. رانا نتريد الفكرة باللهجة اللبنانية بتاعك بتكيمترك بشكل.
Interesting. Okay, but your accent is still not naturally Arabic. This was a good test. We're going to switch to a different language. Okay, guys? So that was Alessandra. I didn't feel the voice on that one. Let's try a male now. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. What I love about this platform is that they have names and nomenclature. This is the graceful host, the confident guy, the big sister, the ASMR lady. Oh, we got to do the ASMR lady. Calypso, okay? Please, whoever is watching, please forgive if any of this you find this offensive. I swear this is for science. I don't know what's going on. We're learning as we go along. So let's go with who did we say here? This says this defaulted to somebody else. I really wanted that one we chose. It said ASMR. I think that's a trending thing on YouTube. For some reason that I don't understand, it really every time it's people scratching into a microphone. But let's see what that does here, and let's give this one a default background sound as well, and let's have that conversation in as many languages as possible. Again, I will ask it to explain the nature of this business, how these systems can benefit you, and I'll ask it to alternate its languages so that we can eventually wrap up this call in the next 2 or 3 minutes. Thank you again, Cartesia, and for everyone who's watching. This really means the world to us. when you press like and subscribe and all that stuff, it does help. It gets the word. Please only do so if you find this stuff cool. Like, really don't bother if it's not for you. I get it, to each their own. And I understand the negative sentiment around this as well. There is a lot. But, man, it helps
Greetings
me.
and welcome to AI Solutions by Ahmad. Kindly note, this is an AI system designed to serve you better, and we are required to remind all callers that conversations may be recorded for quality and training purposes. Please go ahead. How can I help?
Thank you. For the purposes of this conversation, I'd like you to take 2 or 3 minutes to explain exactly what it is you guys do. But I would like to test your multilingual capability, so I will ask that you don't say more than 2 sentences in the same language. Continue that entire conversation. Speak for 3 or 4 minutes, giving the viewers a descriptive example of. Hopefully, I'll have the transcription and I'll have the subtitles in English for everyone. Done. So feel free to alternate all your languages through everything that you can speak. Speak as eloquently as you can. We'd like to, you've got an audience. They're quite interested to see how your multilingual capability is going to be, and why don't you talk about the benefits of automation, how to get started, maybe dispel some myths that people think this is difficult. I'll go through tokenomics, cost, but whatever it is you decide to discuss and bring, I'd like the audience to feel in these last few minutes of this conversation that they learn a lot about these solutions, how they can integrate them and benefit and increase the quality of their life. Please give examples. In fact, you know what? Take 5 minutes. Just keep switching languages every 2 sentences. I'll be right back.
I completely understand.
Go ahead.
I completely understand your request, and I'd love to help showcase that while sharing something truly valuable. Ahmad's AI Solutions team specializes in building intelligent automation systems that streamline realty operations, client management, and daily business workflows so professionals can reclaim hours every week. Je suis ravi de pouvoir alterner les langues pour démontrer notre capacité multilingue tout en explorant les avantages concrets de l'automatisation. Imagine
Sorry, you're
un
going
système
off track a
qui
bit.
anticipe les besoins.
Come back on track. Sorry,
I completely understand.
If you don't mind, for going forward, could you keep the responses
completely
in
understand.
under 14 words? Under 18 words. So just go through the responses and change languages. We'd love to hear how you speak.
I completely understand. Nous pouvons alterner les langues. Automation boosts efficiency. L'automatisation améliore la productivité. Start small today. Commencez modestement maintenant.
Sorry, you know what? This is not working out. The languages, the accents, I don't feel it. Can you please speak this French and speak normally? And let's continue this conversation in French. S'il vous plaît, je vous connais quoi? Qu'est-ce que c'est votre service? Parlez-vous en français seulement, s'il vous plaît.
Je suis désolé que cela n'ait pas fonctionné comme vous le souhaitez. Je vais maintenant vous répondre uniquement en français, de manière claire.
Okay, guys, it was not French. The accent was off there. Some voices do it quite well, and some don't. And this is something that I find strange. Let's go on to another one, ask it the same scenario. And I feel like some do the languages so well, and some don't, which I don't understand. Let's just randomly try this another one. No, that didn't lie.
Greetings and welcome to AI Solutions by Ahmad. Kindly note this is an AI system designed to serve you better, and we are required to remind all callers that conversations may be recorded for quality and training purposes. Please go ahead. How can I help?
Hi, madame. How are you? Parlez-vous français, s'il vous plaît?
Bonjour, je vais très bien. Merci beaucoup de demander. J'espère que vous allez bien aussi. Oui, je parle français avec plaisir. Comment puis-je vous aider aujourd'hui?
This is a lovely French accent. May I ask you, madame, if possible? Excuse me, may I ask if it's possible for you to give an explanation in Arabic about what it is primarily you guys do? And once you're done giving the explanation in Arabic, may I ask you to also give it, then followed closely in Hindi, followed closely after in Russian, followed closely in Chinese, followed closely in German, and in Japanese. Thank you.
أهلا وسهلا، أنا أورورا المساعدة التنفيذية لأحمد. أحمد مشغول حاليا بإدارة أعماله في العقارات وحلول الذكاء الاصطناعي، لكنني هنا لأساعدك بكل سرور. سألخص رسالتك بدقة وأمررها له فور أن يصبح متاحا. كيف يمكنني مساعدتك اليوم؟ English translation for clarity. Hello, I am Aurora, Ahmad's executive assistant. Ahmad is currently tied up running his realty and AI solutions business, but I'm here to help you with pleasure. I will summarize your message meticulously and pass it to him the moment he is free. How may I assist you today? अब हिंदी में? नमस्ते, मैं अहमद की कार्यकारी सहायक और व्यक्तिगत कंसियर्ज अरोरा हूँ। अहमद अभी अपनी रियल्टी और AI सॉल्यूशंस बिजनेस चलाने में व्यस्त हैं, लेकिन मैं यहाँ आपकी मदद के लिए हूँ। मैं आपका संदेश सावधानी से सारांशित करके जैसे ही वे फ्री होंगे उन्हें भेज दूंगी। आज मैं आपकी कैसे मदद कर सकती हूँ? Теперь на русском. Здравствуйте, я Аврора, исполнительный помощник и личный консьерж Ахмада. Ахмад сейчас занят управлением своим бизнесом в сфере недвижимости и ИИ решений, но я здесь, чтобы помочь вам. Я тщательно суммирую ваши сообщения и передам ему, как только он освободится. Чем я могу вам помочь сегодня? אישה שצ'ונגן, נין האו, ושאי המיידה דשינג'ן צ'ולי חסירן ליפינגואן אולולה. I have my demotion to Maui Chin ta de Fanti Chan Harangung Chinang Jejafan Yewu, then was a jolly hello you went in Tigon Pangju. Or with the seats on in the Sin Sea, Pings I has a conscience the tea she jen tranjaugeta. Chinten.
Sorry, please go ahead, continue.
أهلا وسهلا، أنا أورورا المساعدة التنفيذية لأحمد. أحمد مشغول حاليا بإدارة أعماله في مجال العقارات. أخص رسالتك بعناية وأمررها له فور أن يصبح متفرغا. كيف يمكنني مساعدتك اليوم؟ Continuing in Hindi as requested. नमस्ते, मैं अरोरा हूँ, अहमद की executive assistant. अहमद अभी अपनी रियल्टी और AI solutions business चलाने में व्यस्त हैं, लेकिन मैं आपकी मदद करने के लिए यहाँ हूँ। मैं आपका मैसेज ध्यान से सारांशित करके जैसे ही वो फ्री होंगे उन्हें भेज दूंगी। आज मैं आपकी कैसे मदद कर सकती हूँ? Continuing in Russian. Здравствуйте. Им. Ахмад сейчас занят управлением своим бизнесом в сфере недвижимости и решений искусственного интеллекта, но я здесь, чтобы помочь вам с удовольствием. Я тщательно суммирую ваши сообщения и передам ему, как только он освободится. И. Continuing in Chinese. И.
Sorry, could you use your Chinese again? You're bugging out?
Guten Tag.
Sorry, the Chinese didn't come through.
Bonjour.
Please try the Chinese
I
again.
completely understand. Nin hao, was Aurora, ama de Shinjan Chuli, Hasiran Lipin. Tamuchen Chumau Chin ta de Fanti Chan ha AI Jejufangan Yewu, ta was actually Hankaushin when in Tigon Pangju. Hojang de Shausi Tsisi Tsongje, bin seit has a Kongshen de Ti Shijen Tranjao Geta. Chinte wana wen in Sosha Shama.
I think they overloaded this long video, everyone. Let me come back with you. So, guys, really, tell me what you think. I don't know. The English was fine. Some of the voices did Arabic really well and Hindi, but the same question, the same voice just came out with like it didn't sound authentic. I think if those of you who are watching, when you heard it, right? For those of you that are multilingual, it would really help me. What do you guys think? There was a lot more I tried before I recorded this video to put them up, and some were really mind-blowing, and again, some, like you saw, just failed short. They just came out like, someone who's done 2 classes or something. But then the next voice would be 10x better. So that's what was my consensus. Again, I'd like to just thank Cartesia, and I have, for those of you who are stuck around till the end, I got a little bit more of a surprise for everyone, which is essentially that I also got invited to try out another even more advanced program than this, and if all goes well, we're lucky. I'm really hoping to complete this. This will be in another video. NVIDIA has their own similar sort of really cool voice agent model voice thing. And I applied to get in early just so I could share it with you guys on the channel. It's really hard to get placement. Today's my last day off. Tomorrow I've got work, but let me read the email out to you really quickly. Thank you for applying for the NVIDIA Nemotron voice chat. Early access, your application is still pending. We have this new model coming shortly. Please fill out the form. Tell us why you want to use it. They don't want to just give this to anyone. They want people. So I will do a really solid and conscientious effort to put it through its paces, do an apples to apples comparison, launch it in my business in Dubai. I have actual real results. So NVIDIA, thank you. Cartesia, thank you. Everyone, thank you for watching. And if you have actually gotten to watch this far, it means the world to every one of us, and to me, and to making sure that this reaches other people who this actually also might help if when you press those silly buttons. You know, just do it, man. Thank you. Okay, read this. Just do it. There's so much more cool stuff I want to show you guys. And so far YouTube hasn't paid me nothing or sponsored or no one's come through. I'm just, if I love it, I want people to see it. You know, it's nice. I love this stuff more than anything. I think that these NLP type solutions, I'm releasing some benchmarks up here. You guys should go and check them out. But they're astonishing. And if you find stuff like this fun, please remember to come back, subscribe. I try to get stuff ahead and early because that's the name of the game. So I see another email there. I gotta turn off the lights. This is way too bright. Oop. Guys, it is 6:26 in the morning. I gotta get back into the grind. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you, Cartesia. I know I'm actually gonna be switching to it. I have to. Like that was way too cool.